Yo guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Huh? Yo, did y'all know I'm doing a Robux giveaway? Next week I'm gonna buy Robux, and then whoever subscribed, uh, I will give the Robux. I gave already one. I'll send my last Robux to my friend, so I'm gonna buy next week. And then I'm gonna make a huge giveaway, and y'all just have to subscribe and like this video. I would, and if you wonder what is my name, it's I will just put it in the next video, my username. So I would see you on the next video. But y'all know now from the giveaway, y'all could I would friend you. You just had to type your name in the comments and I would search you up and give you the Robux next week. Bye guys. Peace.